How about this?
Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we will discuss how to make money from the internet. The internet opens up many opportunities for us to make money easily and quickly. In this video, we will discuss several ways that have proven to be effective and easy to do. Passive income. First, we will talk about passive income. Passive income is money you earn without having to work every day. For example, if you have a blog or app that has a lot of visitors, you can make money from the ads that appear on your site. You can also sell digital products, such as e-books or online courses, and continue to make money from those sales. Sell products or services. Second, you can make money selling products or services over the internet. You can open an online store to sell physical products or sell services through freelancing sites like Upwork or Fiverr. You can use your skills to offer services such as writing, graphic design, or programming. There are many business owners who need the services of professionals like you. Create an attractive profile and portfolio and don't hesitate to promote your services to potential customers. Become an affiliate marketer. Third, you can make money by becoming an affiliate marketer. It's a way to make money promoting other people's products and earn a commission on every sale you make. You can join affiliate programs from Amazon, ClickBank, or other affiliate programs, and promote the products you like through blogs or social media. Don't promote products you don't believe in or products that are irrelevant to your niche or blog topic. Viewers will know if you are only trying to make a profit without thinking about their needs. Online investment. Fourth, you can make money by investing online. Online investing allows you to invest in stocks, mutual funds or other financial products via the internet. You can open an account on a platform like Robinhood or E-Trade and start investing in the stocks or mutual funds you choose. Remember that investing carries risks and you should do your research and understand the product you are buying before making an investment. Online job search. Fifth, you can search for jobs online. There are many online job openings available, such as writing, marketing or programming. You can search for work through sites like Upwork, Freelancer, or Remote.com and start working from home. This is a good way to make extra money or even make online work your main job. Those are some ways you can try to make money from the internet. Of course, each way has a different level of difficulty and time. However, if you put in the effort and have the determination to succeed, you are sure to find the right way to make money online. Don't forget to keep learning and developing your skills. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.